Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's MzPurpleVibez, and today I want to show you how to take these items and turn it into a healthy soul food meal like this. That's right, healthy fried chicken, cauliflower, and collard greens. First, we're going to take any kind of pork grinds. Put the whole bag into the blender until it turns into dust. Once you clean and season your chicken to your liking, we're going to coat both sides of the chicken. Yes, get all that flavor on that chicken and don't leave any spots. Coat it all. Put it in your pan. And we're going to turn that oven on for 400 degrees. Keep an eye on your chicken and let it stay in there until it turns crispy to your liking. Once your chicken is in the oven, we're going to start working with the collard greens. Get them all cleaned up and chop them up. And we're going to season our water as well. We got to make sure that those collard greens have flavor. Put some chicken stock, whatever season you like. Add a pinch of vinegar. I added bacon in mine as well. And cook them until they get really tender, like this. Let me know in the comments below if you add sugar to your collard greens. Alright, now the cauliflower rice. What you want to do is put it in a little baking dish, and you could either season it before or after it's cooked. But the key is to make sure you make it flavorful, and also put in the oven for 400 degrees as well. It should cook, depending on how much you have, 30 minutes or less. And once it's done cooking, it should look like this. And let me know in the comments if you're a fan of cauliflower rice or not. And now my favorite part, time to eat. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye guys.